Residents living in fear. That picture painted by councillors in St. Anne who lament that criminals continue to use the cover of darkness to prey on innocent citizens. At this week's Municipal Corporation meeting, councillors urged the mayor to convene a meeting with the Jamaica Public Service to address the long-standing issue of non-functioning streetlights. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
A matter of urgency, the issue of non-functioning streetlights in St. Anne. Councillors at the Municipal Corporation complain that criminals continue to use dark spots to attack innocent people. They say residents are afraid.
When they steal the street lights, the persons that lose one from his or her gate or from his or her community become more fearful. When it is not working, they have a hope that one day it will fix. But when it is taken down and removed, Mr. Chairman, it drives them into great fear.
When my summer program, the youths that covered my area had gone out to do the audit, a great percentage, I would have think that between 35 to 40% of the lights in the St. Anne's Bay division, including in town, are also not working.
The councillors argue that they have to put in a request for a meeting with the Jamaica Public Service before, but nothing has been done to address their concerns.
I'm urging you, sir. We have a meeting at the end of this month, the last Thursday, before we enter November. November 15 is the date when they say that tourist season starts and festive season starts. We would like, sir, to meet them before, and the last Thursday. When is the special meeting? The last Thursday, sir.
That we can't wait until even the last month, the last Thursday of each month, for a special meeting with JPS to discuss these matters.
The Light and Power Company has always stressed that it's unable to fix as many non-functioning streetlights as it would like because of the huge debt from the government. However, at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, Minister with responsibility for the public service, Fievel Williams, said Cabinet has approved $7 billion for the restoration of about 12,000 streetlights. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.